Article 13, Mitigating Circumstances. The following are mitigating circumstances. 1. Those who mentioned in the preceding chapter, when all requisites necessary or to justify or to exempt from criminal liability in respective cases are not attended. Number 2. That the offender is under 18 years of age or under 70 years of age. In those cases, in the case of the minor, we shall be proceeded against in accordance with the provisions of Article 80. 3. The offender had no intention to commit grave. The offender had no intention to commit so grave a wrong as that committed. Number 4. The sufficient provocation on the threat on the part of the offended party immediately preceded the act. 5. The act was committed under the influence of Number 5. The act was committed in the immediate vindication of a grave offense to the one committing the felony or delito of his spouse, ascendants, or relatives by affinity within the same degrees. 6. That of having acted upon an impulse so powerful as naturally to have produced passion or obfuscation. 7. The offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to a person in authority of his agents, or that he had voluntarily surrendered before the court prior to the presentation of evidence. 8. The offender is deaf, dumb, and otherwise suffering from physical defect, which thus restricts his means of actions, defense, or communications. 9. Such illness of the offender as would diminish the exercise of the willpower of the offender without depriving him from the consciousness of his acts. 10. Finally, any other circumstance of a similar nature and analogous to those above mentioned